Welcome back to a new and exciting video, Money Makers. I just want to thank all my subscribers. Eventually we are getting close to our 300 subscriber mark. I'm gonna celebrate again, but I'm gonna keep that under wraps, and it's gonna be more money that's involved soon. So keep subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you watch this video fully to make sure that you are earning the maximum potential in your lifetime. And this website or app is called KJOB. So basically, if you're not earning on YouTube yet, you can come over here and become a full-time creator with Kaijobi. You can transform your ideas into a thriving creator first online business platform. So basically, people pay to subscribe to your different channel or your niche or whatever you're doing over here, and you can make money directly starting from day one. So you can join creators who built a business doing what they love. So, how do I make six figures? Yes, this person had made over six figures with Kajobi. Um, and you can too, if you only work 5 or 10 hours a day. 5 or 10 hours a day. Now, obviously, she probably didn't make that in one day, but over time, gave 5 or 6 years, she built up enough platform for enough people to come over from maybe her YouTube or other social media farms over to this platform and directly start monetizing over here. I'm assuming it took her a little while to do it, but she made it. This person has made over 20K in 1 month. Insane. He said he's a dentist and he created online courses in Kajobi about a year ago. And with that, he was been able to basically work from now 2 days clinically as a dentist, and I spend the rest of my time working on the online business. This person said I came into real estate in 1999 and into real estate education in 2006. One of my students was making seven figures that year, and I wasn't. I started investigating the Kojobi website and instantly fell in love. I made $130,000 in 9 days with no ads. Another exciting opportunity for digital options where you can get paid to write tutorials. I'm calling all technical writers. We are offering $50 per tutorial written. These tutorials will be featured in the community section of our website and will credit the author who produced the content. There is no limit to the amount of articles you can write. Articles can be written on a variety of topics, including Ubuntu, CENTOS, DEBIAN, and all that good stuff. The goal of DigitalOcean is to build up a large, comprehensive, and beautifully written collection of tutorials. In order to do this efficiently, we are going to be creating a list of DigitalOcean community writers, where tutorials, once submitted to our moderators, will be paid for very quickly and published within the week of being submitted. We are hoping that these articles will not only be accurate and informative, but also be incredibly well written. If you are interested in becoming an official DigitalOcean community writer, please submit a sample article and the topic that you would enjoy writing about at etil@digitalocean.com for review. And you can also feel free to CC Barry at digitalocean.com and include the subject line. So basically, you're going to get paid for writing articles, and then if they are approved by the moderators, you will get 50 with me. And we're going to be going over a website called Laudable. And basically, you can get rewarded for doing skit together. That's not the actual word, but language. Don't want to use. So you can sign up. So basically, you can master the thoughts of you can master the elements of adulthood to earn power-ups, RIL, and actually engage in courses and games that you can get paid for just being an adult. Who would have known you could just get paid for being an adult in 2024? So here you can sign up for updates, put in your email, but they have a whole lot of stuff. You can do memberships, premium accounts, just have a lot of stuff where to be an adult pays to be an adult. And I really enjoy this. You can put $100 into your RRA. Just for being an adult, you will get paid for different things. So over $1,000 in rewards. I really can't highly recommend this enough. You only have to spend $10 on a month for this, but people are earning on this website, earn $1,000 in revenue. I can't speak highly enough about this particular website. So let's go to the About page. Laugh is your best friend for conquering life on your own terms. At Laughable, we believe in the road to adulthood should be an empowering journey of growth and achievement. Our membership guides you through the challenges that modern adulthood will throw your way, from personal finance, career navigation, health and wellness, and relationships to defining your success. So you can go ahead and get started with them. You guys can do, and I know that's very easy to do. So first up is called Amazon affiliates. So basically, you are going to get paid to promote different products from Amazon. So if you bought different MP4 players, if you bought like a Model 60, a Melody 64 keyboard, if you bought a lamp from Amazon, you can use any of the things that you bought from Amazon or your existing products to promote, to let people know about these different Amazon products, and you will get paid a commission for any sales you make. So if people go and buy those same products from Amazon, then you can get money deposit into your Amazon account. So basically, you're going to monetize your content with Amazon affiliate, influencer program. So as an Amazon influencer, you will give the tools you need to select the best of Amazon products and services, easily recommend them to your followers, and earn commissions on qualifying products or purchases. You can inspire customers to shop Amazon's millions of products by curating your personalized page on Amazon where you can publish your live streams, shoppable photos, and videos. As a selected member of the program, you may also qualify to be featured across Amazon's site. These options make it easier than ever to engage with Amazon customers and monetize your content. So first step is you're going to build your storefront. You're going to customize your page on Amazon with a personalized URL. Step two, you're going to create content and recommend products to your audience. And then step three, cha-ching! Our competitive conversion rates help maximize earnings. So go ahead and so basically, these are some questions that people ask. So what is an Amazon affiliate? Amazon influencer program. You are a content creator who provides recommendations to inspire your audience via social media to buy Amazon products. And if they go and buy those products, then you can be able to make a commission from the products, depending on how many people buy those said products and your videos that you're advertising. So if you are a media company or a brand and want to drive traffic to Amazon, you should apply to this Amazon Associates program instead. How can I monetize my content? There are multiple ways to earn. You can monetize your social media content by sharing your storefront URL or through affiliate links. You may also surface the content you have posted to your storefront to Amazon shoppers, allowing you to grow your followers and earn from customers. How do I qualify for this program? We accept applications from all types of influencers, provided you have a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok account. If you are applying using an Instagram or Facebook account, you are required to use a business account. When reviewing your application, we look at the number of followers you have in addition to your engagement metrics. So how much will I earn? Well, you can start earning commissions when your followers make qualifying purchases via your affiliate links. So the affiliate links that you post from your Amazon affiliate program is how you're going to get paid. They only if they click directly on those affiliate links, then you can make a commission from that. If you don't have that, you're not going to make any money because Amazon has to know that people are buying it directly from under your affiliate program and nobody else. So the amount you can earn is based on products sold. Commission rates can be found here, and you can just visit the website. So our next website here is Collab. A lot of people don't talk about that you can start to invest in student housing to earn monthly income. So if you're the squirrel here on Collab, you can look at it. You can buy it for $5 a share, $5. But the reason why you are investing your money into it is because you want to make sure that it's profitable at the end because you want a greater return than $5, obviously. So if you invest in each individual ones, say if you invest in 3 different student housings, that's $15. And then that $15 can keep growing depending on how well the housing market does with that particular student housing. So you have to make sure that you're investing right. So I know a lot of people don't like to just invest their own money, but you have to understand that you get dividends on if if that particular house does well or not. So you can't sit up here and say that, oh, there's no way I'm not going to invest my money. Well, you got to try something and do something different in life. If you always say, I'm never going to make any money, then you're never going to make any money because you're not trying to effortlessly do these things. So don't come on my page and say this didn't work. It didn't work because maybe you didn't try hard enough or you didn't stick to it. You have to understand side hustles are side hustles. They can't make you a lot of money, but if you consistently work on them after your 9 to 5 job consistently, then you will start to see small little growths in it. Every little small step you take in life is going to amount to something. Trust me. Everything we do in our life hopefully has a purpose and can give us greater dividends or greater returns than what we invested in. So remember that. Just because you invest in $5, you don't know if that can grow into $5 million. You get what am I saying? So you have to just try and see and do some of these things. But if you want to know a little bit more about this, some people are saying I choose to invest with Collab because it's a brilliant model. College students need a place to stay, and they consistently present a high occupancy investment with tremendous future usage potential. So it's always going to be a college student that is going to need somewhere to stay, and if you invest in that, you never know. I mean, 5 years down the line, you don't know where your money can grow. The portfolio is growing and the model is working. So these are real people that's saying that. So you can invest and look into it on this website. I'll put the link in the description. But our next one is Katori. So um, basically here, your next side hustle. So Katori, let's just go to this here. So basically, you get to travel the world and you can tell about different countries that you be in. So if you travel the world, you'll be able to see different sites, which is a beautiful thing, but also you will get paid to do that. So if you can go onto their website, you can just learn a little bit more about that. And then this brings us to our fourth website here, which is Bunchies. So you can get paid to become a scout. So basically, how this works is you need to join the Scout Rewards program and get paid for inviting fans and building your branch. So eligibility to qualify for the Scout and earn rewards, you must bring 3,000 plus sports fans together. So have or manage at least 3,000 sports community through a social media or similar profile platform. Follow us on Instagram and then complete our Scout eligibility request. We'll send you more details in a follow-up email. So there's earnings with no limit to it. Your initial reward. Once you bunch has 10 people, including yourself, you'll receive your first payment. Continue earning. Keep earning as new people join your bunch. Collaborate with other scouts as you grow your community. Weekly pay. As your community grows, you'll get paid every week you bring on 10 or more new users. So this is just the website. You can even download it there via the app. And then our last site is Nuvia. So you get paid to shape the future. So you do different tasks, basically like Romo tasks, and you complete it and you get paid based on per task. And it's like an AI. It's similar to like the Outlier or Romo tasks if you've ever seen those particular tasks. And then basically here is a global community working to improve artificial intelligence behind a whole range of technologies. Join and you can create anything from smarter virtual assistants to more realistic video games or even self-drive. So you get sign up, do tasks, and get paid. So if you want to know more about that website, you can. I'll link all these websites in the description, or you can just look them up yourself. But other than that, you all have a great and wonderful day, money makers. Bye.